Welcome back to Primetime News. Special welcome to folks on onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, both the government and the opposition are claiming victory following a ruling handed down by the Chief Justice in the Battle of Portmore becoming the 15th Parish. The Chief Justice ruled that the government cannot proceed with the declaration until it complies with the provisions of Section 67 of the Constitution. That section argues that no constituency boundary can cross two parishes. South St. Catherine MP Fitz Jackson, who is leading the case on behalf of the opposition, says this is a win for his party. In a statement today, he said the court has affirmed what we have consistently maintained. The government was attempting to move forward in blatant breach of the constitutional process. However, MP for East Central St. Catherine, Orlando Terrelong, said the ruling was a win for the people of Portmore and the government of Jamaica. He pointed out that the Chief Justice simply accepted the government's position that the act making Portmore the 15th parish would only come into operation after the completion of the procedure outlined in Section 67 of the Constitution. Mr. Terrelong further stated that the action brought by the opposition was a premature and desperate political move to disrupt the process of Portmore becoming the 15th parish.